Hey everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming, the vlogging series, but today is going to be probably the last month of the Patreon figures for me, just letting you guys know. Uh, if I don't see any improvement or anything, to at least break even to pay the people from Fiverr to make the files, and also the I did the AI art on the side, I'll be looking at that as well. This is the October one for my Patreon. Check it out down below. If you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Discord and Patreon. Also, no one voted for anything else for the following month as well. To do that, just leave me a comment message or Discord. There's a voting one. Just give me your anime character for that as well. So I got Maria from Sanwa Kagura. It's up today. Well, it'll be up like a couple hours before this video's up. But yeah, we got Sadra Kagura one, Mario the Puppet Master. Very good one. We also got the female baseball shadow character from Persona 5X. Many ways. You can get a full figure dismantle or use it for your D&D miniature as well. We got Shishori as well for what you call it from Witchblade, the anime series for it as well. So we got this ready for you guys to get all these three. They're $5, and you also get the previous one from all the way through August and September and October. So total you get like 8 full size figures for that. Now we got the nitty gritty. This is the AI generated one. It's $1. It's also $1 in Cult 3D. And reason why I'm doing that because I pay the premium as about $20. Even though it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot because I do live by paycheck to paycheck and stuff like that. So I'm experimenting for it. For this for D&D miniatures, letting you guys know. So we got the witch, probably gonna this photo right here. Got the anime girl. We got furries and femboys as well. AD&D and 3.5 D&D monsters in many ways. This is from Disagia, the succubus. We have that one. We already looked at a couple of them as well, just to get a lot more stuff up and going. There's 115 of these, so I'm just going to go, you know, click by click, and you guys can look all this up on Occult 3D or our Patreon as well. And for $1, you get 115 models for that as well. The reason why the picture quality is not that good is better on the actual figure itself. We got Ant, a whole bunch of other stuff. The Hook Core, Mountain Troll, the Spider, Cat. Some of these where we already looked over it on the other program software. Some of them we have not. This is your femboy right there. Your little femboy. If people like femboys, I know. You got some big boob PC character, another Disagia one. I think this is a monk. Spellcaster, female armored. This is the old bullet. Demon. That is a Umber Beast. That's AD&D Umber Beast. If you guys haven't noticed, Frogmoth. Got a bullhog, I believe it's called. And this is a 3.5 version of it. We also got this with Spelljammer, a big Triceratop with 2 hands, 2 legs. I mean, a Bard, Undead Demon, got an Armadillo with a gem in his head. These are a lot of these are for AD&D monsters. This is Chung Li wearing a maid's outfit. Choker, Japnatness Ooze. We have this other one, Priest from Disagia. I forgot what this one's called, is from AD&D as well. We also got crustaceans, bugs, little Disagia Etna, anime, Disagia, Hellhound, another one from 3.5, a big busty 3D Thiefling, paperweight if you want that. We got I forgot this was what was called. This was one I think 3.5. Um, Glittering Mouth, I believe it's called. You know, there's Laharl from Disegia, another creature from AD&D. Demon from AD&D style. Big Poop Make Girl. I know we got a lot of Big Poop Maker. This is also from 3.5 as well. I don't know what this one's called. This is also from AD&D one as well. Female Werewolf. Another character from Disegia, from anime. Goddamn, Angel's nails is really really hard. This was from AD&D. Another furry one. I think it's a raccoon with a wrench. Another AD&D monster, a 3.5 monster for this one. Undead Knoll, kind of Wendigo-ish thing. A big ass goose with a big fist. You also have a rhinoceros one. There's another one from AD&D. His head, mouth open. Big boot priest. Werewolf. I don't know where this one's from. We got the froggy from AD&D that shoots laser out of his eye. Another AD&D monster. Sigia, Rust Monster. This is 3.5 version. And we have the cat with a whole bunch of snakes on it. This is from an anime. Another anime. 3.5 Owlbear. Monster from AD&D. Forgot what it's called. 3.5. 3.5. There's a lich. Red lich. This is a freaking mage slayer. I forgot the eye that basically make your magic or magic item obsolete in many ways. 3.5, AD&D. That Kobayashi, the female orc. I tried that out. You know, I think this from anime. That's the AD&D owlbear right there. That's a schoolgirl orc. Just to have poke fun with it. AD&D monster. Roper from AD&D. Another anime. I think this is a sea troll. This is a humanoid AD&D covered in like insects and stuff. Swarm. This is from Overlord anime. One of the ooze girl, the maid ooze girl. This is an evil druid. AD&D. I think it's an imp. Anime. AD&D monster. AD&D monster. AD&D monster. I think this is a troll. Forgot what kind of troll this was. I'm gonna try to do something. This is Disegia. This is the red dragon, fire dragon, a demon from 3.5, and AD&D monster as well. So all of this for just for $1. 115 of them. If you guys do enjoy it. Anyhow, please let me know. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day, guys. Bye.